Welcome to SmartBloks, world's first AI-powered website creating platform that uses AI and AI chatbots to create professional-looking websites just like these for you in minutes with AI content written with blogs, e-commerce store, content log, membership, funnels, multi-page websites, and their mobile versions in just a few minutes. Now, SmartBloks lets you create websites just like these. All of these websites have been created and all the content has been created using AI for you to customize later and then sell to local and online businesses as you want. You can add your own domain to any of these websites and you don't need hosting, you don't need to buy a domain if you want, and you don't need anything else at all to get these sites up and running. You can create e-commerce websites as well using an add to cart function, fully customizable e-commerce store with all sorts of products, digital and physical, and fully customizable checkout page with multiple payment processor integrations for you to work. You can create blogs on your website and post news articles or just start generating more content. And SmartBloks comes with a blog post generator as well, so you don't have to create the posts yourself. Now, let me show you how you can create a website in just under 5 minutes using SmartBloks. Once you're on the dashboard, you can see all the websites that you've created. You can also see all the custom themes that we have. You can install new themes or you can create new templates yourself. You can see all the analytics. You can add your domain if you want to do that. You can check all your leads here. You can find new leads, people who are looking for website creation services. But to create a website, all you have to do is click on the plus button and you have three options. You can create a website from scratch using our AI assistant Anna, or from one of the themes or the templates that you created, or the ones that we give you access to. We give you access to tons of professional templates. For this demo purpose, let's create a quick website using Anna. So I click on Anna and then I'm going to chat with Anna, and Anna is going to help me create a website. This would be the title of the website. Now Anna would want me to select a relevant keyword in my industry. So I'm going to say pizza rest. There we go. I can also select from all the drop down options that Anna gives us. So there we go. Now I can upload my own logo, or I can generate using AI as well. If I click on generate, it's going to create certain images that I can use. If you have click designs, you can integrate your click designs and create logos or images using click design, or you can just search from our millions of stock free images to choose from. Let's go with this one. Click done. Next. Now we're going to select the theme. So let's say we're going to go with this theme. Click next, and that's mostly it. I can add additional add-ons if I want to. Can add a booking section to take booking, table reservations for the restaurants and all that stuff, and that's about it. Anna is going to go ahead and create a website, write all the content, put it all together, and then give me full access to that website to customize it and make it as good as I want. So here's the website that's Anna has created, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on edit. And once you're on the editor, you can start customizing the website the way you want. Now, as you can see, the website has been created by Anna, and not just the home page, but it also created the about page with all the information, and also created a contact page so your business can be contacted. Now, you can customize the website entirely as you want. So let's start with blocks. If you click on the plus button here, you can add lots of different blocks to add more elements and customizations to your website. You can add banners, header, contact, content, features, form, pricing, social, store, footer, call to actions. All different kind of blocks can be added either by clicking a plus sign here or just clicking a plus here and selecting a block from here. You can add tons of widgets that we have: text widget, images, buttons, icons, dividers, all different sort of. You can even add a store if you want, and these are all done for you widgets, so you don't really have to customize or recreate them. Then you can add more pages. If you want to add an extra page, you can do that. A project page, service page, contact page, a blog, booking page, or a blank page, and you can customize it the way you want. Then you can add lots of different add-ons: forms, an e-commerce store, a booking for scheduling, appointment booking, for order taking, a blog, a mobile website, ADA widget. Now, to add a mobile website, all you have to do is click on the add to site button, and once you click on it, you see this little icon pop up. Click on it and you activate the website. You can customize whatever you want. You can replace the logo if you want, whatever you want the logo to be. You can upload it, and your website, mobile version of your website, is ready. Not the mobile version, the entire mobile app is ready. Now, to preview the mobile app, what you can do is it will automatically work once somebody accesses your website on the mobile phone, but you can also demo it to your customers and clients from here. So as you can see, there's a little install icon coming up. So if I click on install, I can install the mobile app on my desktop as well, not just the app, not just on my phone, and access it the way I want. So this is like the downloaded mobile app version that I have, and it is a full app that can be downloaded on iPhone, Android, iPads, MacBooks, and Windows PCs all at the same time. It creates a perfect mobile app for you, for yourself, for your website, for your clients, and it's fully functional. You can include any of these elements. And then finally, you can customize your setting, your SEO, your appearance, contact details. You can add analytics. You can change everything about each individual page. There are tons of integrations. You can integrate click designs into your page as well if you want to add more designs, and you can have your website ready in matter of minutes. And you can create, like I said, you can create all kinds of different websites with e-commerce store added to them, products added, digital and physical products, and you can do checkout, customized checkout, membership, blog posts, simple local business websites with lots of menu options, lots of customization, lots of booking, reservation, payment processing. All can be done using SmartBlok. So this is what SmartBlok does. It helps you create unlimited, incredible, powerful, fully customizable, any kind of website without the need of any hosting, WordPress, paid plugins, or domains, right? And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our team. We'll be happy to help you.